Hello everyone friends on the Vela channel. Today I will show you how to open or extract respectively the archive on the iPhone. RAR archiver, yes. To do this you need to open the shortcuts, click plus, yes, add a shortcut. And here we need files. Here we are looking for files. There you are. And accordingly here we need to select respectively select file, click. Next we'll need to add the action again and it'll be called extract file. But extract archive. Click the archive extractor in this case, and accordingly then we just run the given this shortcut. So yes, we choose our archive. Here it is, I have just the sound archived here. So yes, click and accordingly unarchive occurs, and here is our file. And accordingly by clicking on the share button you can save it to your phone. That's all, Vela was with you. Goodbye everyone.